In this video I will show you how I use Plotagon Premium Content for free without hacking. Before we proceed, please note that this video is created in different version of language. For simplicity's sake, click on the description of this video to select the version of language you prefer. Alright, let's proceed. First, you should have installed Plotagon from PlayStore. If you have any issues with your installation or you find Plotagon not properly working on your mobile device, then you need to watch this video. So by now you should have Plotagon installed and working perfectly. After you open Plotagon, you see it not activated yet. All cart button are still showing. That's all premium content are still locked and only limited content to work with. Now let's activate it. To do that you need to follow my entire step. By following you get it all working perfectly without any issues. You need the following. Step 1. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Step 2. Like this video. Step 3. Turn on the notification bell icon is all. Step 4. Comment by telling us your name and the country you're watching my video. Step 5. Screenshot. Step 6. On the description box click on the link which will direct you to me. Via WhatsApp send the screenshot to me, then I will proof of those who I have helped and there are a living testimony. If you are still watching to this moment, I can't wait to see you benefit freely like other users. Bye for now, one love.